Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I was going through that box of goodies I got over there from Big Vic, and I found this screwdriver, and it's a mess, which is wonderful. It's got everything wrong with it that a screwdriver can have. It's got the chipped part of it over here. It's got a bend in it, maybe two bends. I'm not exactly sure, but it definitely has a bend that way. The ferrule's got a big old dent in it. The handle, this is all chewed up. So I was looking at this thing and I got this crazy idea in my head, like I ought to just use this as a vehicle to try a bunch of different things. And at the end of this video, I don't expect to show you some beautiful new screwdriver. It may be some monstrosity, or it may not even exist when I'm done, but you know what? I'm going to have fun and I'll make a video out of it, and you can watch if you want. So let's get started. Well, I'm stopping right here. Why? Because I feel like it. This really was way more successful than I thought it would be. A while back, a lot of people were doing these golf ball screwdrivers, and I totally understand the concept of how that feels on your hand. And I got to say, I like this. I like the feel of it. I like how your fingers kind of go down on it over there like that. It holds great in your hand. I did not finish it. Stupid me. I sprayed clear. There it is. Some of this clear Rust-Oleum stuff on it before this red was completely dry, and it did that whole, where it crinkles up a little bit. But now it's completely dry, and it's not bad enough. I don't want to go back and re-strip it all and start over. And I didn't finish profiling this screwdriver. And the reason for that is I was starting to get impatient, and the last thing you want to be is impatient when you're working on this thing. I'll do it another day. But, overall, I'm kind of surprised. This thing's kind of great, actually. If I had a Phillips that was like this, I'd use it all the time because it feels great in the hand. But anyway, thanks for coming along on the journey, and we'll see you next time.